Some new information has come to light regarding the drone light show incident in Orlando 2 weeks ago, where a 7-year-old child was hurt and then had to have open heart surgery. So I'm going to share that information with you now, but again, just want to clarify the investigation is still ongoing with the FAA and the NTSB. So I'm just updating you what I know and how I see things, but I will not be pointing fingers. And so let's get into it. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. Yeah, so some new information has come to light, and that is a contract which has been released to the public from Orlando City, and I think this has come from the Freedom of Information Act. Now, it doesn't really say anything damaging or whatever. There is information about the contract in there, and it's kind of standard stuff, you know, that you would have in contracts and whatnot, and it's fine. But what I'm really interested in is the image that has been used for the operational plan. And if we have a look at this now, so this is what's being used, and you can see here that in the green area, that is where they would have the launching of the drones, which to me seems very small actually, for 500 drones. And you know, this could be a source of the problem in terms of the drones, because having 500 drones in that area, maybe they couldn't get calibrated right. I don't know. But of course that's beside the point at the moment. But you can see here that this blue line, that is where the show will happen. It will be inside of that box, and I'm pretty sure that maybe they were using the blue line as maybe the inner geofence. I'm not sure. But the red line there is the outer geofence for sure. And to me, it doesn't look like there is much distance between the outer geofence and the safety buffer. So the audience location should be, I would say, at least 30 meters from that red line. And I'm really not sure if that would be enough, given what we're actually seeing here. Now, of course, that could also change. So they could have pushed the safety buffer out a little bit as well, because I do think that 500 drones in that area is quite tight. So it could have been, so this has been an operational plan, but it may well that it could have changed. It could have went in, I don't know. But certainly from what I've seen in the video and what I could hear in the video with that drone coming in, it seems that the geofence could have been actually further towards the audience. I hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. But it seems to be that could well be. So like I said, I think that the focus of the investigation probably will be the operational side. I don't think the drones are the issue here. And of course, the drone that hit the crowd, of course, that is an issue. But that shouldn't happen. That should not happen. A couple of people have been asking, has there been jamming there? No, I don't think there was jamming there. I don't see that there was any jamming there. Someone on Reddit who apparently knows this system has actually said that the cause of the issue with the drones was to do with the launch and the first and second lift. So they do lifts in certain stages there. And from what he said, and again, this is just his opinion on this, he said that this has been done too early. So the drones haven't had time to catch, know where they are, possibly even calibration, like I even said in the last video. So that could well be there. So he said that someone got a little bit too, just about too jumpy. Now that could be for many reasons. This could be one of the reasons is that maybe the client was on the back of the pilot in command saying that they want to have the show now. Maybe the show had been delayed. This is something that we actually talk about a lot, actually, and trying to keep things tight and keep the communication and stuff, you know, so there should be no pressure. Anyway, but we will never know. Anyway, I hope that this gave you a little bit more insight into what has been going on. We will see you on the next video. Fly safe.